Good evening, this is Anmol Anand and my registration number is UR14CS314 and I am here for the second experiment of our Unix lab, which is about the conditional statements in shell programming. So this is a 5 question given by our faculty. So first one is write a shell script to find the greatest of three numbers. Then write a shell script to find the grade for given marks. Then write a shell script to get the internal and external marks from the user and check fail or pass. Then fourth one is write a shell script to develop the arithmetic calculator. Then fifth one is write a shell script to check whether the entered character is vowel or consonant. So let's see the first one. So as you can see, this is a command which I have given in a shell programming, used in a shell programming. So this is echo for printing, and it is printing that enter the first number. Then read is for it is storing as a number 1 which you have given as a number means input. Then second, then third, and this all will be stored. Then I have given the conditions as a if. Then I have given the condition dollar number 1 minus GT, dollar number 2 minus A, then dollar number 1 minus GT. So I have given the conditions. Then if echo number 1 is greater, means it will compare all the things, and if number 1 is greater, then it will show that number 1 is greater, then it will print. Then else if, as I have used the else if ELIF, then I have given the condition if number 2 is greater. This statement means if number 2 is greater, then it will print the second number is greater. And at last I have given as else, and if both the numbers are not greater, first and second, then third one is greater. Then I have printed, then I have written the FI for the ending statement, and it will, as you can see, the output for that one. I have entered the 30 as first, 40 and 50. So 50 is the largest, so it is output 50 is the greatest one. Now we can go for the second one, which is about write a shell script to find the grade for the given marks. So as you can see, I have used the echo for the printing, enter internal marks out of 60, and read for inputting in marks and out marks. Then I have taken as a select for SEL is equals to echo. This is a formula for that one, outmark slash 0.4 BC. Then all the calculation will be done in that formula, and then that echo in mark will be by this formula it will be calculated, and then it will be shown as what is the total mark for the out of 100, both the internal after calculating internal and external marks. So as you can see, given the internal marks as out of 60 it is 40, and 60 out of 100 in the external, and the total marks out of 100 is 64.0. so this is for the second one. Now we can go for the third question, which is about write a shell script to get the internal and external marks from the user and check whether if he or she is a pass or fail. So you can see I have used by the like previous question, I have used the same thing, echo enter your internal marks out of 60, then echo out of 100, and then I have taken as a read in mark and out mark. Then SEL is equals to that formula, then it will show the output, and then one more formula is there in mark. Then if the mark is greater than 45, then it will show you pass or fail. It will print you pass or fail. So as you can see, I have given this out of 40 it is 60, then out of marks 100 it is 30. So total marks out of 100 is 52 is calculated, and then it will show that the user is pass. Now we can go for the fourth one, which is about write a shell script to develop the arithmetic calculator. So echo enter the first number, then read as a number 1, as we got, I'm storing. Then for the second number, it is storing. Then it will ask for the operator which I used. Then it will store into the OP. Then I have used the case, the switch case here. I have given the plus, minus, divide and multiplication, and it will all echo. It will add, minus, subtract or divide or multiply the number. Then after that, for ending, ESET. Now we can go for the output. As you can see, I've given the enter the number 1 as 3, number 2 as 4, then enter the operator as plus, and it will give the calculated one, which is the answer is 7. Now we can go for the final 5th one, which is about the vowels and consonants. Write a shell script to check whether the entered character is vowel or consonant. So we have to see with the enter what the user has entered as a vowel or consonant. So I've used the echo for enter your character, then read as ch for storing. Then I use the switch case. With the ch means what is enter is a, e, I, o, u, as it is a vowel. Then it will be a vowel. Otherwise, if any other thing, then it will be a non-vowel. So as you can see, I put it the e, so it is a vowel. So it is showing it is vowel. Thank you for watching.